Let Garmin show you how to replace the rubber doors that cover the USB-C and microSD ports on your zūmo XT2. Each service kit will contain a rubber door, 2 screws, and a retainer. The screws are very small. Please use caution working with them so they are not lost. Only 1 screw is needed for this process. An extra screw has been provided in the event one is misplaced. To perform this task, you will need a 00 precision screwdriver, either tweezers or small needle nose pliers, a lightly colored microfiber or soft towel, and tape. First, power off the device. Then, lay down a microfiber or lightly colored towel to help prevent any scuffs or damage to the zūmo XT2. It will also help catch the screw in case it is dropped. In this video, we will be replacing the door for the microSD card slot which was previously removed. The process will be mirrored on the USB port side and will require the USB door service kit. Place a piece of tape over the port to prevent debris from entering. Locate the retainer. Remove the screw that is threaded through the retainer. Then remove the retainer. Tip over the device and gently shake to remove any broken material. Place the new retainer onto the tether of the rubber door with the shorter prong face up. Insert the screw through the hole of the retainer. Line up the screw and retainer with the device, then insert the tether into the hole. Tighten the screw to secure the retainer and door. Avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping the screw. Remove the piece of tape covering the port. Then press the door into place. You may dispose of the old hardware. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.